What's up, guys? It's your boy Junior, and I went to Wendy's today. I just went to Wendy's right now, and it's, let's see, it's 10:41 right now. And I went to Wendy's and I got the Sriracha burger. Not the fries, but the burger. Let me tell you something. This is complete heaven. If you're a Sriracha fan, go get it right now. Let me do you a quick taste test.
They just put it in front of them.
Alright, guys. Taste this burger. 1, 2, 3.
You already took a little bites in this. Maybe some of that action.
Okay, done too. Now, has the bun, has bacon, spinach, lettuce, onion, more bacon, chicken. It's just heaven, guys. It even has its own sauce, Sriracha sauce. Gotta dip that, guys. And well, that's it. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. See you guys next time.